I recently asked one of my friends if I could use a relationship problem that she was experiencing in order to provide an overview of how I would look at that and the way that I would work with that if it was a couple I was working with. The relationship problem she described was that she felt like her partner lacked ambition, that she was very driven, she wanted to move forward, earn more money, develop a good career, buy property, things like that. And she felt like her partner wasn't doing much aside from just going to work and coming home and relaxing. The way I would look at that is that this would be an example of a difference. Now, his way of approaching life, prioritizing relaxation, not being too ambitious, there's nothing wrong with that. Life is there to be enjoyed, and there's no reason why we need to be working 60 hours a week or doing all these extra things when we can have a perfectly comfortable, good life doing less. But equally, her approach of being more ambitious, wanting to get ahead, wanting to move forward with the property purchase and to develop a better career, that's perfectly valid as well. So when you look at this situation, there is no right and wrong. Her approach of being more ambitious and his approach of prioritizing relaxation are equally valid. And so this is just a difference that the couple need to resolve. I've done previous videos on how to resolve differences, and so this would apply to this couple, where she would need to talk about perhaps her fears and anxieties of not buying the house, of not moving forward, how it makes her feel. She might talk about the dreams that she had and how she's sad that it doesn't feel like they're pursuing them together. For his part, he would also need to express how for him, he feels like he gets everything he wants from life, or he doesn't see the purpose of doing all these extra hours, or that perhaps he feels overwhelmed at the end of the day and he's got zero left in his tank to pursue other things. So the important thing is that each person can open up and share how they feel about that situation and truly listen to their partner. When they do that, and they can do it perhaps several times, the couple will naturally find a resolution through that process of opening up and sharing their feelings about this issue. And for each couple, that resolution might look different.